Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about Instagram application and discover the features that offered by the Instagram application. So today we will learn the way how we can create the poll on our Instagram story. First thing you have to do is just creating the Instagram story as usual. You can just access the Instagram camera, add the picture and continue that way. So here I would like to create the story first. I would like to share this post from the idols from the Korean that I loved, and then I would like to just go click share this into my story. And here is, so this is the looks whenever you already have the story section. And then if you want to create the polls, just go click the second icon on the top right corner, and there will be a lot of features that is offered by the Instagram for you. If you want to create a poll, just go click this poll and then ask the questions about that you want to ask into your follower, what you guys think, and then give an options. So you can just add the options over it, and right after that you just need to go click done. You can also place this poll into the specific area that you want to have, so that they will not gonna cover the main characters on the picture of the story. And after you're done, you just need to go click add to your story and you're done. So whenever someone seeing this your story, they will have this kind of look, and whenever they tap on one of the options, they will give you the information about how many percent of your follower that choose the first choice and the second choice. So that's the way go guys, how you can create the poll on Instagram. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial titles.